If you hate mowing your lawn, but also hate complicated tech, this might be the smartest yard care upgrade you could make this year. This right here, this is the Navimow i2. And unlike traditional robot mowers, this one doesn't need boundary wires, stakes, or a weekend-long setup that makes you question life choices altogether and if tech should be in your life. So I've been testing it and I want to talk about what it does really well, where it still has room to improve, and who this is actually making sense for. Let's start with the big headline feature. LiDAR navigation. Instead of relying on buried wires or GPS that can get confused by trees, buildings, the i2 uses LiDAR to map your yard in real time. That means it's constantly scanning, measuring, and understanding where it is. Kind of like how self-driving cars see the road. And the setup absolutely reflects that. You map your lawn using the app, walk the mower around the perimeter once, set your no-go zones, and then basically that's it. You can set up different zones like I have here, but there's still no digging, no rewiring. For anyone who has ever installed a traditional robotic mower, this alone feels like the future, or kind of like cheating, but that's a separate story. Once it's mapped, the mowing pattern is clean and deliberate. It doesn't get the random bounce around look in your grass. This is grass that your neighbors would actually be envious of. It moves in neat, systematic lines that actually make your lawn look better over time. And yes, where is it? There it is. It's very quiet. You can run this early in the morning, late in the evening, or even while you're on a Zoom call, and completely forget that it's working outside. That's a huge win if you live in a neighborhood where noise matters, or you just want your peace and quiet. Obstacle avoidance is another area where LiDAR really shows up here in the i2. It is good at recognizing objects like trees, patios, furniture, drain pipes, planters, and even random stuff you forgot to pick up. Instead of slamming into things, it slows down, navigates around them, and keeps going with ease. Is it perfect? Well, no, but pretty close. Really small objects like toys left in the grass can still be an issue, possibly. Sorry, little guy, for science. I still recommend a quick walkthrough of your yard before scheduled runs, but overall, it's smarter than most robotic mowers in this price range for sure. Now, let's talk about slopes. In real-world lawns, the i2 handles gentle to moderate slopes. And while I don't have any real big slopes in this yard here, I've seen it tackle obstacles with absolute ease. The i2 handles gentle to moderate slopes without any problem. If your yard looks like a skate park, this probably isn't the mower for you, but more normal suburban lawns, it feels confident and stable, which is absolutely what you want from a robot lawnmower. Now, battery life. Battery life is solid, and I like that it automatically returns to the dock, recharges itself, and continues mowing right where it left off. There really is no babysitting required with the i2. The app experience is also refreshingly simple. You can schedule mowing times, adjust cutting heights, and see all of the progress and get alerts if something needs attention. It's not overloaded with settings you'll never even touch or use, but it still gives you enough control to fine-tune things just how you like them. Something simple that I absolutely appreciate is there's a built-in handle right here. I've carried a lot of these robot lawnmowers and they just didn't put anything on the underside to make it really easy to carry. But this literally, I've got my hands full with the power cord because I'm moving the base station, and you just hold there, got a nice handle. Genius. One thing I'd love to see improved in the future is more advanced scheduling logic, things like weather-based automation or deeper zone-specific customization. It's good for now, but there's room for a little bit of improvement right there. This is perfect if you want a low-maintenance, wire-free robotic lawnmower that just plain works out of the box, especially if you care more about convenience and consistency than obsessing over every blade of grass in your backyard. If you're the type of person who wants to stop thinking about mowing altogether, this fits that lifestyle very well. And if you're already investing in smart home tech, it feels like a natural extension into your yard from what you probably already have inside your house. So what is the bottom line here? The Navimow i2 gets the hard parts right. Easy setup, smart navigation, quiet operation, clean mowing patterns. It's not trying to be flashy, it's trying to be reliable. And honestly, that's exactly what you want from a robot that's cutting your lawn while you're doing literally anything else you want to in life. If you want to check current pricing or availability, I've got links down in the description, of course, and you can go check those out. And if you've got questions about how this compares to other wire-free robotic lawnmowers, drop them in the comments below. I'm happy to break them down as I've been reviewing a lot of robot lawnmowers. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.